Hold on real quick. Are you working a 9 to 5? Are you doing the same things over and over again, expecting different outcomes? If you are, watch this video. Because guess what? That's insanity. Albert Einstein's definition of insanity was doing the same things over and over again, expecting different outcomes. Does that sound like you? And if that does sound like you, do you have goals? Do you want to be successful? Because guess what? I noticed that we all want to be successful, but nobody really knows how to be successful. And that's not your fault. But guess what? It is up to you. Do you want to be successful, right? Guess what? Go ahead. You can go ahead and look up how to be successful. It'll show up all the books of how to become successful, all the YouTubers, all the YouTube videos, subscribe to all the channels, read all the books. If you really want it bad enough, you read all the books, subscribe to all the channels, you watch all the videos, you write all the notes. You'll do what you have to do to become successful. But you don't want it bad enough. You just want to keep it as a mantra. You want to say, you know what, every single day I want to be successful. But you never put it into action. Because guess what? The next day, you go into work, you do your 9 to 5, you get your paycheck. Once you get your paycheck, you spend it on materialistic wealth to make you look rich in public, when in reality, that's not really making you look rich, because everybody who's rich already knows you're not rich because of what you have on. Simple as that. So instead of doing that, be smart about it. Invest in you. Invest in your brain. Invest in your skills, your passions. Make your dreams become a reality. Invest in, little things that you can make money off of on the side. And then grow it into something bigger and make money off of it long term. Build many streams of income for yourself. Instead of investing into materialistic wealth that makes you feel good and feel rich, get something that actually is going to make you rich. You feel me? Do that on a daily basis, and you will eventually be where you want to be. So you want to be successful, right? Well, look, goals. Do you have goals? And if you don't have goals, create some. Create something, little milestones for here and there, so that you can actually feel like you're making progress along the way of your journey of success. What do you want to be? You want to be a writer? Then write. Start writing a page a day. Make your writer's blog. And then make many more. You want to be an artist? Well, why don't you start doing art? Start doing art right now. Start drawing. You want to be a musical artist? Well, start making music. Start posting your music. And then do it over and over and over again 100 times until you get more and more views. Keep doing that with whatever you want to become. You want to be a speaker? Speak in front of one person. Speak in front of you. Go in the mirror and go speak in front of yourself. That's you. That's one person. And guess what? It'll affect you in a way that you will never imagine. You'll actually think different. You'll listen to yourself more. You'll listen to your intuition. And you'll actually listen to your own opinion more than anybody else's opinion. It's a very, very good skill to have. So we all want to be successful. And it's not hard to become successful, but it's not easy either. And I'm not going to sit here and say you want a BS mantra saying you can be anything you want to be. Because guess what? That's not true. You can't be anything you want to be. You can be anything you want to actually put your mind to and make it seem as a reality for. You want to become successful. Well, do you think it's going to be hard or do you think it's going to be easy? It's up to you. Because if you want it to be easy, fall in love with the process. Love every single step of being successful. Love the research. Love the action. Love the conversations. Love the failures. Love the successes. Love the outcomes. You have to love everything about success to become successful. You will not become successful off of dreading every single action that you do. That is failure. And you might be stagnant, depending on your mindset. So if you want to be successful, be successful. Look up how to be successful. Read the books. Watch the videos. I mean, that's all it really takes. Like I said, I'm not going to sell you on the BS mantra that all you have to do to be successful is be successful. You can do whatever you want. I'm not going to sell you on that BS mantra. All you have to do to be successful is be successful. That's literally it. You want to be successful? Well, do it. Do whatever you feel like you have to do to become successful. And it's up to you. Simple as that. I'm not going to, like I said, what I will say you want to know, actually, is that you want to become successful, it is what you make it. All right? If you want to become successful, make it easy for yourself. If you want to become successful, Love everything about the process. Love the consistency. Love the perseverance. Love the diligence. Love the discipline. There are going to be many times you're going to be tested on your discipline. You're going to be tested on your desire for the fact that you even want success. What do you want? And then what is your definition of success? These are things you got to ask yourself. What is your definition of success? All right. So with this being said, I love you guys. Peace. I hope you got something from this video. Put it in your brain, put it in your heart, wherever you want to put it at. But I hope that it affects you, and I hope that you remember this video for something positive. All right. So with that being said, thank you so much. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you.